The 2025 Volkswagen Grand California stands as a testament to VW's commitment to delivering a luxurious and practical camper van experience. Building upon the success of its predecessors, the latest iteration introduces a host of enhancements that cater to both seasoned travelers and newcomers to the camper lifestyle. Design and dimensions. Available in two primary configurations, the Grand California 600 and 680, this camper van offers flexibility to suit varying needs. The 600 model measures approximately 5.98 meters in length and 2.97 meters in height, featuring a transversely integrated rear bed measuring 1,930 by 1,360 millimeters. An optional high roof bed is available for families requiring additional sleeping space. The 680 model extends to 6.80 meters in length and 2.84 meters in height, providing a longitudinal rear bed up to 2,000 by 1,670 millimeters, making it ideal for couples seeking extra room and storage. Interior comfort and amenities. Stepping inside, the Grand California exudes a clean, bright, and sleek ambience. The interior is adorned with white clean units, contrasting dark wood flooring, and restrained fabrics, creating a boutique hotel vibe. Standard ambient lighting enhances the atmosphere during evening hours. The camper is equipped with a fully fitted kitchen, including a gas stove, sink, and fridge, allowing for convenient meal preparations on the go. The front seats swivel to create a living/dining area, complemented by a folding dining table and a bench seat with Isofix mounts. Storage is ample, with numerous lockers and an 800-liter garage beneath the double bed, accommodating various travel essentials. Sleeping arrangements. The Grand California comfortably sleeps up to 4 occupants. The main bed, approximately the size of a standard double, features an 80 mm thick mattress supported by a spring system, offering a firm yet restful sleeping experience. An optional high roof bed caters to families needing additional sleeping space for children. Bathroom facilities. A standout feature is the integrated bathroom, complete with a shower, toilet, and sink. Despite the compact space, the shower is designed to provide a comfortable experience, with sufficient room to move and a decent water flow. This inclusion ensures travelers can maintain personal hygiene without relying on external facilities. Technological advancements. The 2025 model introduces a redesigned cockpit featuring state-of-the-art infotainment systems up to 12.9 inches and a digital cockpit. The traditional gearshift is replaced by a new selector switch integrated into the dashboard, creating more knee room and facilitating easier movement between the cab and living area. An electric parking brake further enhances convenience. A new camper control unit, a 5-inch touch display located centrally in the living area, allows users to monitor and control various features, including water tank levels, interior lighting, power supply status, and auxiliary heating. Many of these functions can also be managed via smartphone using the California app, transforming the Grand California into a smart home on wheels. Performance and driving experience. Under the hood, the Grand California is powered by a 2.0-liter turbo diesel engine delivering 174 brake horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This combination ensures the camper handles various terrains with ease, providing a smooth and responsive driving experience. The suspension system effectively absorbs road imperfections, contributing to a comfortable ride. Despite its size, the Grand California is surprisingly agile, with light and direct steering facilitating easy maneuverability. Safety features. Safety is paramount in the Grand California, which comes equipped with a suite of driver assistance technologies. Standard features include crosswind assist, which helps maintain stability during strong side winds, and hill start assist for smooth departures on inclines. Optional aids such as adaptive cruise control and blind spot monitoring are available, enhancing safety during long journeys. Pricing and availability. In Germany, The Grand California 600 starts at €79,313.50, while the 680 model begins at €82,175.45. Pre-sales commenced in July 2024, with first deliveries planned for the second half of the year. Prospective buyers can configure their personal Grand California on Volkswagen's official website. Conclusion: the 2025 Volkswagen Grand California seamlessly blends comfort, practicality, and modern technology, setting a new standard in the camper van market. Its thoughtful design and array of features make it a compelling choice for those seeking a home away from home on their travels. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more exciting updates.